To support this channel, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment.
And lose weight while you sleep. An excellent home remedy for reducing blood fat is the daily consumption of Garcinia Cambogia tea. This fruit reduces the absorption of triglycerides and bad cholesterol, which further facilitates the weight loss process and burns belly fat and loses weight while you sleep. However, to successfully reduce fat levels, it is important to eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables and lean meat and to exercise regularly. Some examples of foods that should be limited in the diet are butter, margarine, yellow cheeses, alcoholic beverages, pate, ham, sausage, bacon, all fried foods, all salty snacks, even baked goods, fish such as tuna and salmon, and meat where fat is visible. Ingredients: 3 Garcinia Cambogia berries, 500 milliliters of water. Preparation method: put the ingredients in a bowl, bring to a boil and cook for 15 minutes. Wait for it to cool. Drink and enjoy 1 cup of this tea every 8 hours. Caution: pregnant and lactating women should drink only 1/2 cup per day, and this tea is contraindicated for children under 13 years of age.